Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So as can you see, the now when I'm just touch and hold the fingerprint and then just lifting the finger here, for example, to the left side, I can use the Google Chrome, the new event. Here we can add the new note or voice search. So as can you see, I'm just using the voice here, so we can change these features, the applications, or just to add the new functions, or just to remove some from these functions. How to do that? You just should go into the settings application. After that, just scroll to the special features and then click here to the quick launch. And here we got our currently menu. We can click here to edit the menu. Here we can remove all of these functions if you want, and for example now we can add the Gmail, for example. Also we can add here some applications, for example the contacts, the camera, the clock, and also here we can add one more function, for example the new note, or just to the YouTube subscriptions here. Then just click here to OK on the right upper corner, and here you can see that we just change all of our functions and the applications. And now we'll just try to use these new apps here. So press and hold, touch and hold the fingerprint scanner, and now just to select one from these applications, you should just lift your finger here. For example, we'll use the contacts, and as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how to customize the quick launch on our OnePlus 10 Pro. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.